Here I have the BLUETTI AC70 portable power station. It's an excellent unit that is the sweet spot of not too heavy, not too bulky, but provides plenty of power and plenty of capacity. So right here on the front, you have everything you need. You've got your solar input here, up to 500 watts. You got your DC output. This is a barrel style. You have your two grounded AC outlets, and then you have your DC USB-Cs, two of those, two USB-As, and the USB-C is power delivery up to 100 watts, so that's a lot faster than you might be used to. The screen is right here. It's nicely lit up. It'll actually go dim if you don't touch the power station for a while. So each of these buttons correspond with these outputs. So the DC button turns the DC output on, AC turns the AC on, etc. So they give you a main power cord for charging, a solar charging cable, and a car charger. The top has a really nice handle to it. It's built in. No moving parts. So the only thing going on here on the side is the AC input and a grounding screw. So just plug in that AC cord and it'll charge in under an hour and a half, which is absolutely phenomenal. And the best part is this power cord doesn't have a big bulky block or brick to it. So it's pretty compact. You just plug it in and it'll charge right up. Let's test it out. So I just plugged it in, and on the screen here you can see exactly how much input it's receiving. Almost 1,000 watts, which is pretty amazing. Right here is an estimated time on how long it'll take for it to fully charge to 100%. So just over a half hour to go. The fans do kick on when you plug it into the wall, but they're really quiet. And speaking of, there's a ventilation port here with two fans built into it, and then an intake over here. So the air gets sucked in through there, goes through all the internals, and then gets spit out there, the hot air. So it's a really good design. So if you're under a high load or you're charging from the wall in high temperatures, it shouldn't have any issues overheating. Here I have a Vitamix blender. We'll test it out. Power it on. You can immediately see the output wattage. And if I crank it up, you can see that wattage increase. Has no issues running a blender. Right now I'm charging my phone off of it, this USB port. So it's not drawing much energy because my phone is basically full, but it's pulling 7 watts. Either way, it's pretty cool that it tells you directly how much wattage it's pulling. And then right here, this estimated time remaining will fluctuate based on how much output or input it is receiving or putting out. So that's pretty neat. As far as build quality, I'd say it's pretty nice. It's made out of a solid plastic that's a matte appearance, so I don't think it'll show fingerprints and scuffs very well. I've used it for about 3 weeks now and it's worked insanely well. No issues to speak of at all. The app that you can download on your phone is really nice to use. It shows you everything you need to know about the power station, settings, current draw, etc. So if you're looking for a really nice, reliable power station, I would definitely go with BLUETTI, and the AC70 offering 768 watt hours and 1,000 watts of AC output is that perfect sweet spot where the whole unit is not too bulky and it has enough capacity for a full weekend of camping or even for an emergency occasion. So all in all, BLUETTI AC70, 2 thumbs up.